Let me introduce one of the surface mount linear light. It is the model called 31127. It is like this. The design is like this, very thin. The wide is just 6 mm. The height is just 6 mm and the wide is 21.8 mm. And it's very thin. And the light is you see. Normally, it is installed here, surface mount, installed in the front side of the panel. You don't need to make a channel. You just use a double side tap to connect it. See, double side tap to connect in the surface of the panel, the downside of the panel. And you just need to do, just make a small hole to make the wire through the hole and then connect to the power, so the light will turn on, will start work. So you see, this is a design, surface mount, and a very thin one. And the lens is customized. You can do whatever lens you need. So this is a classical item of 31127. It's used in this place. Downside of the panel. No need to make a channel.